Variable assignment in Python creates a variable and makes it reference a piece of data. Well then, what's a variable? A variable is a name that represents a value in the computer. We have a code editor in front of us. Let's do an assignment statement. X equals 5. This assignment statement has two parts, or steps. First, the variable x is created. Then, x references the value 5. This can be generalized. Any assignment statement can be written as variable equals expression. The right-hand side, or the expression side, evaluates to a value before the variable references it. For instance, we can make variable equal 1 plus 2 plus 3. This won't give you any kind of error. It will simply compute the sum to be 6, then store that value in variable. Another thing of note, this order of variable equals expression cannot be flipped. You actually get an error if you try to flip it, and I'll link a video delving deeper into that error down below. Also, a variable must have an assigned value before being used. In a little bit of a look ahead, we can do something like x equals x plus 5. This normally says take the value that x references and add 5 to it. This code, exactly as written though, will give you an error. That is because you didn't assign x a value before incrementing it by 5. This last part is a bit of a higher level concept if you're already familiar with programming. Feel free to listen on, but if you don't understand it all, don't worry. This whole video, we were talking about variables referencing values. What's that about? Many other languages, like Java or C for example, you can do in x equals 5. And you would say that the variable x holds 5. As it turns out, in languages like Java and C, the variable's value is stored in the variable's memory location for the most part. In Python and other languages, the variable holds the memory address of the value. So we say the variable references the value. I went to college for this stuff, but never really liked the term reference. So I had this little mental picture so you remember what exactly is going on with reference. Imagine you were watching a movie. Let's say Star Wars. No funny business. This movie is like C and Java in our example. The movie holds Star Wars. Now imagine you're watching a TV show. It's not Star Wars, it's something else. Totally different. But the show references Star Wars. That's the way the concept of variable reference is going on. Star Wars is nowhere in this TV show, but however it is presented, they mention something in such a way that ties back to Star Wars. That is the way I like to think about variable reference. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.